to Phillip Highlights. I'm Summer, and I'm serving you the latest news of the week. Your news, our business. India's economy expanded 8.2% year-on-year in the July-September quarter, significantly surpassing expectations of 7.3%, driven by robust consumer spending and accelerated export ahead of punitive US tariffs. Manufacturing outputs rose 9.1% and construction 7.2%, while government expenditure contracted 2.7%. Retail inflation fell sharply to 0.25% in October, raising the prospects of further monetary easing by the Reserve Bank of India. Supported by domestic tax reductions and higher interest rate cuts, private investment and economic activity are expected to remain resilient, with additional rate cuts likely providing a further boost. Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim said Malaysia's new government borrowing has steadily declined from 100 billion ringgit in 2021 to a projected 75 billion ringgit in 2025, reflecting a continuous reduction in the fiscal deficit. As of September 2025, total federal debt stood at 1.32 trillion ringgit, equivalent to 65.3% of GDP, with offshore loans of 22.4 billion ringgit and Malaysian Treasury Bills of 4 billion ringgit remaining below statutory limits. This shows the government's dedications to fiscal discipline, responsible debt management, and long-term economic stability. That's all for today. Stay tuned for the next Phillip Highlights. This update is brought to you by Phillip Capital, your partner in finance.